Hello everyone. Right now this is a 2008 Volvo S80 3.2 liter. Got chrome grille, got headlights, fog lights with your headlight washers. Got your turn signal indicator with a sensor for your blind spot monitoring. Here's what the key looks like. Got your lock unlock. You can turn on the lights by the remote. As you can see right here, got your trunk release and your panic right here. Got your lock and unlock control, mirror controls, window lock control. Got your Volvo door sills with 3-person memory with a power driver seat. Now all you have to start the vehicle is put your foot on the brake, insert the key into the slot, and then press the button. Only has 68,000 miles on it. Go ahead and close the door. Over here, got your cruise control, radio controls here as well. Got your light control, got your fuel and trunk release control, got your fog light control. You can adjust the brightness for the gauges. As you can see, got your parking brake release, got your hood release right here with a parking brake to release. Let's just pull this. As you can see, got your pedals right here. Like I said, got your steering wheel. You can also adjust it from here. As you can see, right here's the gauges. Over here, like I said, you can start the vehicle by here. Got your wiper controls, your headlight controls. You can also view your messages and stuff by right here. As you can see, got 2 air vents with hazards. Got your radio. Got eject, AM, FM, CD mode, which if you right here's your climate control, but when you move this, you can actually see your temperature. As you can see, you can see it from here. Got your radio controls, got your dial pad, you got enter, my key, menu, exit right here. And you can go through by pressing this, as you can see. Very nice IO system. Over here, got your climate control, like I said. Got your temperature. Even on this side, got your fan speed, which it will show right here. Got your different zones, auto, 3-stage heated seats. Got the rest of your climate control. Got blind spot monitoring, and you can fold the headrest down, as you can see. Right here's the shifter. And you can also see the numbers right here when you want to shift the vehicle. Got 2 cup holders. Got storage with AUX. Got 3-person memory. Actually, your garage home link, I'm sorry. Got your compass right here with a mirror. Got your sunroof controls, which this one has a sunroof. Just push. Got your light controls. It's a pretty nice car. Go ahead and step out of this one. Unlock all the doors. Turn the headlights on. Pop out the trunk. And pop out the hood. Got an air vent right here. Got 12-volt power outlet with rear heated seats. They're also 3-stage. Got 2 cup holders with storage. Got your back rest release right here. Got a spare tire with jack storage. Got a good amount of space in the trunk. Everything falls through. Got a passenger power seat, same as the driver's side. Got your owner's manual and other literature. Also, one thing I like about this vehicle is this vehicle has blind spot monitoring, which what that means is when a car is beside you, this will actually light up to let you know that there's a car that's next to you. It's a pretty nice feature how Volvo did that, which this is why there's a sensor right here so it can tell you if there was cars next to you. Go ahead and turn off the vehicle.
Khalid, روح مسك المي هذا.
Please subscribe and like, and thanks for watching.